Okay, so now we're going to go on to the forearm. The forearm, as opposed to the other ones that were 3 views, sometimes more, but the forearm is only 2. So it's 2 views for the forearm. And that is palm up, fully extended AP, and a lateral. So I tell my patient that up front. Okay, ma'am, what I'm going to have you do is just lay your arm all the way out here on this cassette, palm up. Just like that. Raise your arm up for me. All right, now lean in just a tad, just like that. And I want your elbow touching and your wrist touching. So sometimes, if they have a hard time with that, sometimes you can build the film up with a tissue box or something like that. If you can't raise the table anymore, you can scoot the chair back so they're leaning a little sometimes too. That can help. But we'll go ahead and open it up here and there. Basically, the centering on this is mid-forearm. You need to include both joints. So I'm gonna have you do one thing real quick. I'm gonna have you bend at the waist a little bit. It's gonna be awkward, but you're gonna lean just like so. Perfect, perfect, perfect. So this, at 40 inches again, is your AP forearm. And again, you mark on the thumb side, which is lateral. Or when you do the lateral, mark anterior. There you are for your AP forearm. Hold real still. Beep. Again, we included the wrist and a little of the hand and well past the elbow. There you go. Now we're gonna do the lateral. All right, man, raise your arm straight up. You're gonna swap out your cassettes. Now I need you to bend your arm all the way, just like that. Then I need you to lean way this way, just like that, and turn your thumb up. So you can either change the collimator or spin the tube guide. I like to be efficient, so I just spun the tip of the tube there. Again, on the lateral, you mark anterior. Again, you want to center mid-forearm. Be careful not to clip back here. Subtle elbow fractures will. You will need the fat pad to visualize those because there's a sign there that helps you know. And just kind of center up to where you don't have like the whole hand, but you don't want to clip any here. So there we go. Now the trick to get the elbow right on the film is if you notice there's quite a bit of space between the bottom of her arm and the cassette. So what I need you to do, Jill, is just kind of drop your shoulder so your arm touches here. If you can't, just slide your hips back a little bit till they touch, just like that. And so what that does is that keeps this elbow joint from looking foreshortened on your x-ray. Just like that, hold real still, beep, relax.